Welcome to Cons, little learners. Hello, little friends. In this video, we learn simple math 1 plus 1. Okay, so let's start. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Do you know what is 1 plus 1? If you're a preschool learner, this is an easy math for you. So let's start. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 little apple plus 1 little apple equals 2. 2 little apples. You can also use your fingers to help you. So this is 1. This is 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2. 1 big apple plus 1 big apple equals 2. 2 big apples. You can also use your fingers to help you. This is 1. This is 2. Now it's time for you to have a go. How many apples do you have? Can you count them? 1, 2. Well done. Let's learn some more. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Very good. 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Excellent. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Wow, you are doing amazing. 5 lions plus 1 lion equal to 6 lions. Very good. Well done. 6 cats plus 1 cat equal to 7 cats. 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Excellent. 7 monkeys plus 1 monkey equal to 8 monkeys. 7 plus 1 equal to 8. Wow, you are doing amazing. 8 cars plus 1 car equal to 9 cars. 8 plus 1 equal 9. 9 balls plus 1 ball equal to 10 balls. That's amazing. Very good. 9 plus 1 equal to 10.9 plus 1, 10. 10 stars plus 1 star equal to 11 stars. Wow, you done it. Now you are math star. 10 plus 1 equal to 11. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Cons, little learners.